This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing oils and dead skin that clog pores. Cleanse gently for 30 to 60 seconds, morning and evening. Once done, apply a targeted chemical exfoliant, salicylic acid, or a 2.5% benzoyl peroxide spot treatment to reduce bacteria and inflammation. Make sure to moisturize immediately after to restore barrier function, and in the morning use 30+ SPF. This prevents post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and protects treated skin. Avoid harsh scrubs that irritate. Go steady and consistent for visible change. You progress by building consistency. Add only one new product every 2 to 3 weeks so you can spot irritation. Once tolerated, introduce a topical retinoid at night to boost cell turnover and prevent new comedones. Start twice weekly and increase as your skin adapts. Make sure to limit occlusive cosmetics and keep contact surfaces clean, phones, pillowcases, because friction and bacteria seed breakouts. If combining active ingredients, space applications. Use retinoid at night, acids or benzoyl peroxide at different times to reduce irritation. You finish the initial phase by evaluating results at 8 to 12 weeks. Acne needs time to respond, so be patient. Once done, maintain a gentle routine and continue preventive measures, retinoid maintenance, daily SPF, and non-comedogenic products. If severe or persistent, see a clinician for prescription topical or oral options. If irritation appears, reduce frequency, simplify to a cleanser and moisturizer, and pause strong actives until the barrier restores. One key troubleshooting tip: if redness or burning worsens, stop actives and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.